When I started learning German, I could barely describe my daily routine. I remember I once told someone, ich mache schlafen. Instead of saying I am sleeping, I said I do sleeping. So awkward, right? In Germany, people love to ask, wie war dein Tag? That basically means, how was your day? It's like a ritual here. And today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to answer the question like a natural. We will cover all the key phrases you need to know in order to become confident and fluent German speaker. Ready to impress? Let's get started. So here we go. Section 1. Waking up and morning routine. So let's start with the morning. What do you say in the morning? You say, ich wache auf. Or you can say, ich stehe auf, okay? Ich wache auf means I wake up, and ich stehe auf means I get up. No issue, you can use both of them. Just one little tip, you can also add a time. For example, ich stehe 6 Uhr auf, or ich stehe let's say 8 Uhr auf. You can just add that time in between when you get up. So now let's continue with coffee time. So in coffee time, you can say either ich mache Kaffee, I make coffee, or as we learned from our previous video, instead of machen, we can use some advanced verbs, which are, you can also use ich bereite Kaffee zu. Ich bereite Kaffee zu means I prepare my coffee, okay? So this is a 10-word verb, you can see, zu bereiten. So zu bereiten became bereite, then zu. So that basically means I prepare my coffee, okay? Or I make my coffee. So let's continue with get ready for the day. So you can use ich dusche, that means I shower, or you can say ich ziehe mich an, I get dressed. If you're dressing yourself up, you just say ich ziehe mich an. And if you want shower, you can just say ich dusche, okay? So let's continue with the next section. Section 2, heading out and work or study, okay? So let's see. Now it's time to leave the house, okay? So you can use phrases like ich gehe aus dem Haus. Ich gehe aus dem Haus means I leave the house. Or you can also say ich gehe zur Arbeit, I go to work. Or let's say you're going to the school or uni, you just say ich gehe zur Schule or ich gehe zur Uni. That means I go to school or I go to university. Now let's continue with the next one, which is at work or school. You will probably say ich arbeite, that means I work, or ich lerne Deutsch, that means I study German, okay? Let's see what if you are attending a meeting. You would say, ich nehme an einem Meeting teil. Ich nehme an einem Meeting teil, that means I attend a meeting. So you can see in this case, we also used a 10-word verb, which was teilnehmen. You can say nehme and then teil. We just splitted the verb in between, then teilnehmen became nehme an einem Meeting teil. A fun fact, Germans love being on time. So you might hear Pünktlichkeit ist wichtig. That means punctuality is important, okay? So now let's continue with the section 3, which is lunchtime and afternoon. So now it's time for a break. What are the phrases you use when you are taking a break? You can say either ich esse zu Mittag, so I eat lunch, or you can say ich genieße mein Mittagsessen. So this one is for those who want to sound extra cool and advanced. And after the lunch, at afternoon, you might say, ich gehe einkaufen. Ich gehe einkaufen means I go shopping. Or ich mache ein Nickerchen. Ich mache ein Nickerchen means I take a nap. Here's a pro tip, Germans also say power nap. That means you can also use power nap instead of Nickerchen. So here's a question for you. What's your favorite German word for food? Let me know in the comment, okay? Next we have the section 4, which is evening routine, okay? So as the day winds down, you might say ich koche Abendessen, that means I cook dinner. Or you could say ich schaue Fern, that means I watch TV. So Abendessen is for dinner, kochen you should know it means cooking, and ich schaue Fern means I watch TV. So want to talk about hobbies? You can use phrases like ich lese ein Buch. Ich lese ein Buch means I read a book. Or you can say ich gehe spazieren. Ich gehe spazieren means I go for a walk. And let's say if you are chatting with friends, you can just say ich telefoniere mit Freunden. Ich telefoniere mit Freunden means I talk on the phone with friends. And here's a little tip for you. Germans love using specific verbs. So instead of machen, you could just say ich unternehme etwas mit Freunden. Ich unternehme etwas mit Freunden means I do something with friends. And then we have our final section, which is section 5, bedtime. Finally, it's bedtime. So when you're going to the bed, you can just say ich gehe ins Bett. That means I go to bed. And if you want to say you are falling asleep, then you can just say ich schlafe ein. I fall asleep. And finally, the important one, don't forget Gute Nacht, okay? Gute Nacht means good night. Gute Nacht. Here's a pro tip, Germans often add Schlaf gut. It's a sweet way to say good night to your family and friends. So, conclusion. Congratulations on completing this lesson. So, this was your complete guide about daily routine in German. Which phrase was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. So, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.